find the patterns in the data, right? Let's say if I talk about the cat and dog example, there will be features, different features. Underscore model, right? That is our model. And now I'm using another variable, which is ML underscore predictions. So, and now and expected was 1, which is good. In the next one, the expected is 0 and
ladies and gentlemen, science class is now over.
Another level, I can say, write me code, or I should say, write me a Python code to print the Fibonacci series. Okay, which is again, so just simply copy it, say done. And what you need to do is you need to open, so in one of the previous demos I showed you how you can open Anaconda, go to a Jupyter Notebook, similarity search. A man is to a woman, a king is, it's actually checking. Oh yeah, it's pretty quick, bingo. So let's see. Simply need to do is you need to simply click here, which is launch web app. Now when I click here, you will see it opens my application, right, in terms of the chatbot.